Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. The recipe will be down below in the description box. Now let's get started. In a bowl, get your 1 cup of butter and your 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to also add my ½ cup of brown sugar to this, as well as my spices. So 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons pumpkin spice, a teaspoon of allspice, and you can also throw in a teaspoon of baking powder to this. And then we're going to mix it until it's well incorporated. And don't forget to get your spatula to scrape down your bowl to get all those ingredients mixed well. Once all well combined, add in your pumpkin puree to this as well as your egg and mix this all well. Incorporate your ingredients well. Again, don't forget to scrape your bowl. Now to this, add in your salt and your vanilla extract, and then give it a quick mix. Once everything's well combined, just for a couple minutes, we're going to scrape the bowl down again. Now add in a cup of flour and mix that well. I usually scrape my bowl down between each addition, but you can just add your 2 cups in and then scrape your bowl. Just keep mixing everything in and make sure everything gets well incorporated. And now finally that last ½ cup of flour, mix it all well. You can always use a stand mixer or your hand mixer for this recipe. And this is going to be a bit of a sticky batter, so don't worry about it. And now you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once all your ingredients are combined, we can start adding in our chocolate chips. I usually use chocolate chunks, but since I couldn't find any in the store, I ended up just having to throw in some chocolate chips. You can use whichever chocolate you prefer in this recipe. Now with my ice cream scoop, I'm going to scoop these out and we're going to chill them once we get all of them scooped. I'm using this quarter sheet pan with parchment paper, placing my cookie dough balls in there. And once this layer is full, I'm going to get parchment paper, place it on top, and then finish scooping out the rest of my cookie dough and place that on top. And then just place this in the freezer or the fridge for at least 15 minutes to ½ an hour. And then bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have the chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you all in the next video. Until next time, stay sweet.